We're Megan and Anna, and for the last 2.5 years we've been travelling part-time around Europe. We are now exploring my beautiful home of New Zealand and taking you to all the best spots. Good morning everybody! So we're going to go to a beautiful hidden gem about 30 to 40 minutes outside of Christchurch today called Taylor's Mistake. Now this is one of my favourite places to go, has the most beautiful beach and it is like quite hidden as well. So we're going to hit the road and I'll see you guys in Taylor's Mistake.
Could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered.
Welcome to Taylor's Mistake. We're just going to start a walk now, but these views are already so beautiful. There's a beautiful beach and you can actually walk all the way around to Godley Head as well. So we're going to get on this walk now.
The door shut and now the frostbite's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole.
So we're about 15 minutes into our walk and the views are honestly so beautiful and the water is so clear. Like again, you can see like the bottom of the ocean and it's just so nice. There's heaps and heaps of walks that you can do here depending on your ability. So you can do just a half an hour walk if you want to, or you can walk all the way to Godley Head, which will take you about 2 hours. But again, depending on your ability, so it's really, really good. The tracks aren't very steep, so they're quite flat and they're all well paved as well.
Got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold.
So it's actually winter time at the moment and it's probably about 15 to 16 degrees and I can hear the cicadas just chirping away. Such a beautiful day. The sun is shining on the water and it's this beautiful like reflection coming off it. It just looks so nice right now and this is the middle of winter. It's a beautiful day and I'm looking for something fun to do. Hey, maybe you guys should come to Taylor's Mistake.
You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold. No Wizard of Oz can undo what I've done. Completely out of luck.
I just think everyone should know. I'm a bit sweaty now.
No, no one needs to know that, Megan.
They do need to know.
So we're about to enter a hiking track. Brings us down to the hill and there's a private bay over there. If it is lunchtime, there's no one there, so we don't know. It's because the track is really bad, but we're going to try and maybe we're going to have a private beach.
I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now.
Now just as you're coming into Boulder Bay as well, they have this awesome little rope swing that you can go on. Woo!
I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chances?
So we just found the best spot for a picnic. We're going to have this amazing view just for ourselves. Welcome to my private beach.
And we got this nice wee picnic table here where we're going to sit up and eat some kai.
Like dominoes, my life got really scattered still.
An essential that I just can't go anywhere without is my pineapple lumps.
I find myself hoping that you'll find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold.
So I just saw one of these little holiday houses on the waterfront of Boulder Bay, and it says Huckleberry's Hideaway. What an awesome name.
Got me stone cold.
We just finished our nice wee picnic, and now we're going to start the climb back up and over to Taylor's Mistake.
You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold.
So the sun has just gone down, so that means it's home time. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. As always, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and
I'll see you next Monday.
bye.